friends, welcome if you're new, and welcome back for all of my returning subscribers. This is Ty and this is Budget Tools. Today we are going to be doing our weekly cash stuffing. I have got $1,110 here, so let's jump right in. So let's start with our wallet, and I actually have $5 that I have left in my wallet. I will stick that back here. Excuse me. I am kind of in a rush. I am actually pre-recording this on Friday the 31st, but it is about 2 o'clock and I have to be at my dental appointment at about 3:15 to have my dental work done. So let's jump in. This is the teller slip that I gave to the bank teller to get the denominations, and we are going to add our usual amounts. For eating out this week, we are adding $30 and a 20 and a 10. I hope everyone is doing well. Spending is getting 30 as well. Groceries is getting 80. Fuel is getting 25. And buffer is getting $10 and a 5 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that is what is going into our buffer. And that completes our wallet. Okay, so let me grab my cheat sheet because, where is it? Okay, so I'll be looking at this off to the side, and we are going to go into our most basic savings challenges binder, and we are going to add $150. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out if I still want to, maybe I want to wait on this. I'm trying to figure out if I want to still add the $150 to the most basic. I just did an end of the month unstuffing, and from the savings challenges, some of the savings challenges that I allotted for month ahead, or for emergency, it totaled $134. So I'm wondering if I want to put that money someplace else. So let me wait on that. Let me think while I'm doing the stuffing. Okay, so next we are going to move on to our monthly savings challenge, which is what I do with Yancy, with budgeting my debts. So she has already put out the calendar for August, and there are 31 days in August. She doesn't have any little hot spots. She is turning 29 years old on the 16th. So she is asking that on the 16th, you save $29 instead of whatever amount you can. I play with the 12-sided dice roll. She also rolls a 6-sided die for those of you who would prefer to do the 6-sided if you want to do this. And my birthday is actually on Monday on the 3rd. So I am intending, we'll see how this goes. I'm going to add $54 for my birthday on August 3rd because I will be turning 54. And I will be adding $29 for the 16th for Yancy's birthday. So these are free on her Ko-Fi shop. You can go and download for free and play along. You just have to check into her YouTube channel daily to find out the amount that she rolled for each day. And this is what helps to fund my month ahead binder. So let's put this to the side, and we are going to add money to this binder. So I had $2 left over, and I am going to add $50 in a $50 bill. So that is where we're putting $50. Let's see where my pen is so I can check off things as I go. Next, we're going to add $50 to our Mondays. And give me 1 second. Our mini Mondays. So we are going to add $50 for our mini Mondays, and that will be 4 5s and 31s. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we have got $5.01 left. I hope that's correct. So we are going to just grab a paper clip and pop this up front for now. It's pretty thick. I'm not going to stick it back over there. So next, we are going to add $25 to car maintenance, and that is in this binder. So we are going to add $25. And we currently have $125. Okay, where's my marker? I know for sure that I brought it in here. Oh, come on. Okay, for now, I am going to use this one here. So we are going to mark off another can, and we are going to add this in a 20 and a 5. So now we have 150. We've got 1, 20, 40, 45, and 50 in our car maintenance. And this is also going to get money from my mini Mondays. I have some that are now focused on just the 4 categories that I'm going to be focusing on until I fund them all, which would be month ahead, emergency fund, car maintenance, and dental. So this will eventually get some extra cash, but right now we're going to stuff $25 per week. So next we are going to move into our bills binder. And we are going to stuff $50 into car payment, which is going to get $90, 50, 70, 90, 50, 70, 90, and that is going into this envelope here. Next, we are doing AT&T, and AT&T is going to get a $50 bill. Next, for our SoCal gas, we're going to add $50. For Spectrum, we are going to add $27, a 20, a 5, and 2 1s. Next, for life insurance, I have that going direct deposit as well, but I'm going to just do a $10 buffer in here. And for Sling, our streaming service, we are adding $18, so a 10, a 5, and 1, 2, 3 1s. Next, for subscriptions, that is also coming out of one of my bank accounts, but I'm going to add a $10 buffer into here. Next is going to be rent for my son, and that's $310. 1, 2, 3, 10 for the week. It's actually about $12.35. And then I am going to, is that it? Let's do this because I get off track. So we've got car payment, ATT, gas, Spectrum, life insurance, Sling, DWP, subscriptions, Chestnut, and then, oh, we have the 150. I'm going, I have too much money here. Okay, so we are adding, actually, yeah, we are adding $25 is going to go to our household items, and that's going to be a 20 and a 5. And I believe I have something in here to put it in, or I may have to create an envelope for this. Or maybe I'll have, since I'm using these, I will ask GB to make one of these. Okay, I'm going to just put it in, I'm going to put it in home maintenance, but I need to get one for household items. Okay, so that is that. And then what we have left here is 120. Something got too much money because we should have I should have 130. Okay, so that's okay. I'll use this 5, 125. I will figure out what I did wrong. But what I wanted to do was potentially put this 125 towards something else. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and just add it to the most basic emergency fund, which is where it is allocated to go. I have completed the first section, and I am now working on section 2, which is also $333. So I am going to just stick this here. After this video, or while I'm editing, I'm sure I'll figure out what I did with the money. And that is going to go here. And that will be $1,110. And I am about to head to the dentist. So guys, wish me luck. I will post my mini Monday for next week. And also you will see the video for my end of the month unstuffing, as well as in that video, you will also see the month ahead reallocation of funds and how that's looking, and an update on where I am with the emergency fund. So thank you guys for being here today. I hope I didn't rush through here too quickly, but I do need to get to the dentist, and I didn't want to wait until tomorrow, which is actually August 1st, because I'm not sure how my mouth is going to be feeling. So thank you guys for all the kind words regarding the dental emergency. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.